Friends, good afternoon, good afternoon. So, ayan friends, wala kaming kuryente. What time is it, Han?
Look at my fancy watch, 6:37.
Yeah, 6:30. Yan, medyo umaambon-ambon pa. So, lumabas lang kami kasi kukuha ako ng kukuha ako ng, what did you call this? Ampalaya natin, friends, kasi baka maghinog na naman. Ayan, oh. Yan, di ba? Hindi to siya friends, um, hindi siya mapait. Han, can you get this? I don't have a tripod.
Yeah.
Yeah, meron tayo ditong
Cucumber?
ilang, that's not cucumber.
This one?
No, you have to use the scissor. Yeah.
Can't we get the big one first?
Yeah, that one. And then, yeah,
This
there's
one?
there's another one. Be careful, don't cut the vines.
This one?
Yes, sir. Careful, okay? And then
This
yeah,
one?
those, yeah. Careful, don't cut the vines. Yeah, hindi yan sila friends, hindi sila mapait. Ano bang tawag, sabi ko kanina, maanghang. 'Di ba ang lalaki niya? Tapos meron pa tayo doon sa likod. This one doesn't have fruit yet, right?
Oh, flower.
Don't have a fruit. Okay, let's go to the garden. So, yung lagi kong sinasabi, friends, yung garden kasi 'di ba yung pinakauna ko talagang garden, tawag ko pa rin yun garden, kung saan yung mangga, yun yung tinatawag ko na garden. Yung patula ba, binigay ko dun sa kaibigan ko, tapos yung isa kong kaibigan gusto niya rin pala, kaso wala pa siyang bunga masyado, friends, isa lang to, hindi pa siya kalakihan, alanganin pa siya. Yung isa naman ay pinapatanda ko para meron akong pang binhi ulit ba. So, kuha muna tayo ng itlog tsaka yung ampalaya pa doon sa may raised bed ko, friends. Yan dito. Buti nakamuwer kami kahapon. Kasi ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Wala kami kuryente kasi nakita nyo puro kahoy yung sa likod. May bumagsak na naman na kahoy na yung kuryente ba. Malunggay natin happy din, no. Yung natin, friends, honey, your grows. Yung sunflower natin, ang dami ng bulaklak. Pasaway ka talaga. Oh, see, look at the wind. It's almost knocked down the mais. Yeah, get the okrahan, this one. So they're not gonna get old. You got the scissor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, get them too. Be careful, okay?
Cut my finger.
Yeah, and then no, you don't need to get the what's that eggplant? They're still small. I want you to get the more.
Tomato?
No, this one. This is the other kind variety of what's that? Yeah, go get the big ones. Malapit na tong. No, don't get. Oh, it's fine. Get that one. That's for the seeds. You have to go to the other side, Han. O, diba, nagpaulan na kami. Yeah, those are old already. They're old enough, so you can get them. You can leave that one alone. It's not good. This one is okay. Get this one. Yeah, and then here, this one too.
This one?
This is red. Where? Let me see. Oh yeah, that's big. It's already old. This is not as big as the first one. This one, get this one.
Can't see.
You cannot see. Here, put it in the basket. No more? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about in the garden? So, ito dito raised bed garden ko. Tapos yung doon garden yung tawag. Han, I have one more here in the garden. Let's go. Let's go sa go. Kamatis natin, friends. Hindi na kagandahan ang happy ng mga malunggay natin ngayon. Dahil nag-uulan-ulan. So tomorrow, I guess we can get the more. This one. Oh, do you think this is ready or not? Here. No, just, yeah, get that one. Told you this
Bug
is.
on your arm.
I know. This looks like cockroach.
It's a stink bug.
That's the stink bug. Looks like cockroach, right? No!
Oh,
Don't kill it there. It's gonna be stinky. I get the small ones this earlier. You need the one like this. There's a lot. I put them in the freezer.
The big one.
Okay, let's get eggs first for the ampalaya. May nakuha na akong 4 na itlog kaninang tanghali, friends. So may mga ano pa ba? May mangingitlog pa lang doon. So di ko alam kung how many eggs makukuha niya ngayon. Tingnan nyo yung ating sampalok. Ang dami na namang bulaklak. Hopefully this time madami na siyang bunga. Kasi nakailang practice na siya, nakadalawang practice na yata. Ayan no. 'Di ba ang laki-laki na ng sampalok natin kung naalala nyo kung kailan naputos siya tinanim, 'di ba ang payatot niya. Yan ngayon ang laki-laki niya na. Ito yung sweet tamarind, tapos yung sa kabila, yun yung sour na pwede kong pangluto. Papakita ko sa inyo maya-maya. Paglabas niya siya, nandito siya sa nagkuha ng itlog. How many eggs, Han? 9? Hold on, you already got from the other side?
Yeah.
So mayroon tayong 4 kanina.
One mean chicken.
Yan, ang itlog natin. And then, hold on, I'm gonna show them my other tamarind. So meron tayong 4 plus 9, meron tayong 13. Oh, Han! The sugar loaf have ripe already. We didn't see it. Come on, one fell down. We just twisted it. We love this one. Here. Wow. We didn't see that one. Over. Come on, go get it. I'm sure it's still good. It's in the ground. The squirrel didn't find it. I think, hold on. We need a basket too. Yeah, look. The sugar loaf and then the other one fell down. Over here. I cannot reach it. You have longer hand. Here, hold it. Let me check here.
Oh, that's the best.
How about here? Seems like, oh, this one is also getting yellow. Okay.
I want to save a couple to right
Yeah.
in the tree.
Here.
These are big.
Yeah, they're big. Go get the one in the ground, Han. We're gonna eat that one. I'm sure that's very sweet.
Where do I need to stand?
I don't know if you can reach it. Over there. It's here. See, inside. Hold on. Diba? So this is the first time na kami ng sugar loaf. This year. Oh, tingnan mo. I just hold it and it here.
Yeah.
Pero bukas pa to. This one's smaller. This is really big. Wow. Oh, there's another one fell. I think it's because of the wind.
Yeah.
Here, look. Oh, there's another one.
This one's rotten.
Oh, give that to the chicken. This one is just fell down. See, it's kind of yellow. Here's another one. Look, it's yellow. See, I barely touch it, and it's already, here. So how many sugar loaf we got? We just twisted that one. We've been looking for this. Yesterday we looked. There's yellow. We didn't see it. How about here inside? We love this one, friends. This is the sugar loaf. Yeah, this is one of our favorite because the pickering, we just planted it last year.
Is that one? Look.
Yeah, honey.
So you lost 2.
Yeah, we already lost 2. Oh, there's another one inside. You have to go inside, honey. That one, that's also yellow. The one hiding. The cute one. That one over there. Maybe there's more inside. Maybe that one, no? Not really. Nandun na siya. Ito pa, friends, yung isa kong, anong tawag niyan? What is this again? Patula. Ayan, no. Taba-taba niya, pero wala siyang dahon. Inano niya na yung aming, Jamaican, what is it? Jamaican apple? Yeah, Jamaican apple. Malay apple. Yeah, whatever. The patula is killing it. Oh, hold on. You're getting it.
One.
The small one, yeah. It's yellow.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, see?
Okay.
It's yellow. They're gonna ripe in the counter. Okay. How about this one? That one? Is that yellow? No, I don't. The other one. Look at the other one. Behind it. Is that yellow? No. Okay. Okay, we can just leave the. So there's more. Okay. Let's go to my what did you call this? Honey, you have more there too in the what did you call that? The lemon meringue variety. Yeah. There's some in here, Han. But hold on. I said I'm gonna show you my other tamarind. My other tamarind, the sour one. It's over there. It's also flowering. Pero tingnan nyo yung aming green wax jumbo. I think this one is ready. Yeah, this one's ready. Honey, the green wax jumbo, I think this one's ready. You can have it. I'm gonna show them the sampalok, the sour one that I can use for cooking. You see the flowers? Here. Here. You didn't see it? Here, you see? Look, there's the flower. Here's the flower. Yeah, and there's more inside. But I'm sure they're not gonna give us like a lot because this is the practice, because that's the first time. And then look how many flowers, how much flower we got from the peanut butter fruit. So here's some fruits. Yeah, but now it's doing good, you see?
Yeah, they already took the first fruit.
Yeah, because the bird love it too. Because this smells good. So I guess that's it for our video. To the friends, thank you so much for watching. No, this isn't, because it's gonna be so long. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Mag-ingat po kayo. God bless.